Hello everyone, my name is Miss Gillin and today I am going to talk you through how to write great topic sentences. So first of all, we will begin with what is a topic sentence. So the topic sentence should identify the main idea and point of the paragraph. The supporting details in the paragraph, so the sentences other than the topic sentence, will develop or explain the topic sentence. In your topic sentence, you should always discuss the key terms of the question. So this is to show the examiner that you are fully aware of the given theme, issue, or area. This often constitutes as a simple rewording of the question. So we're going to think about language as a form of currency. The examiner doesn't know anything about you at all, other than the words on the page. So if you sound like a Band 5 student, they will treat you like one. It is very rare that individuals write the same way that they speak. So just as you would learn new phrases in French or Mandarin, writers engage with and employ the language of academia. And knowing the language of academia is a privilege in itself and is often an indicator of whether or not people have had the chance to engage with higher education. However, academic writing is not just about making your work sound fancy, okay? And this is one of the mistakes that people make when trying to replicate academic writing. So the purpose of writing is to convey meaning. It is a dialogue between the author and the reader. Academic writing that is convoluted and long-winded for the sake of complexity ultimately fails in its purpose to convey meaning. So how to nail it? Ultimately, when assessing your work, the examiner is looking for the 3 C's, language that is confident, coherent, and concise. However, you should still be aspirational in your language selection, and that's why it's really important to build your vocabulary bank in order to express your ideas in the most sophisticated way possible. So, the power of vocabulary. Let's take a step back in time and I want you to cast your mind back to GCSE and Lady Macbeth. So, to your right, you will see a colour chart, okay? And these are all variations of the colour red. So right at the bottom we have blush and at the top we have black heart. On the left, we've got 3 topic sentences that each vary in terms of sophistication. So at the bottom, we're going to start with simple statements in the light pink colour. So Shakespeare portrays Lady Macbeth as a deceptive character, okay? This is a simple statement. We're then going to move on to the next level of sophistication, so an analytical statement. Shakespeare insinuates that Lady Macbeth is perhaps a contrast to the expected societal role of a Jacobean woman, leading to the audience perceiving her as deceptive, okay? So we're really being analytical in our language here by sort of evaluating the impact this has on the audience. Finally, we've got our evaluative statement. So through his portrayal of Lady Macbeth's conflicted dual nature, exhibited by her refusal to conform to the gender role expected of her at the time, Shakespeare refutes Jacobean attitudes towards women and expected gender roles, okay? So we've got a nice bit of context in that topic sentence. So when it comes to writing your own topic sentences, we really want them to be as sophisticated as possible. So this topic sentence here, within Othello, Shakespeare suggests, technically there is nothing wrong with this statement, okay? But we're going to think about how we can make this sound a little bit more sophisticated. So one of the ways that we might do this is through analytical verbs, okay? So these are some alternatives for suggests. So we have words such as advocates, we have parallels, portrays, represents, symbolises, okay? And here is a list for you to kind of use and think about what would work within your own writing. So, for an example, within Othello, Shakespeare illustrates Venice as a dominant colonial force of the Mediterranean through the use of, okay? Moving on to evaluative verbs. So this allows you to tap into the author's purpose with flair and conviction. And these are great for embedding your topic sentence with context. So we have verbs such as criticizes, questions, ridicules, celebrates, subverts, accepts. And these are all terms which are great for you to kind of integrate a little bit of context into your topic sentence. So an example here, within Othello, Shakespeare undermines 16th century patriarchal social norms by presenting Emilia as an advocate of gender equality. This is revealed through the use of ... So that is a topic sentence there that uses evaluative verbs really well. So one thing to think about, your topic sentences should provide the bones of your argument, okay? If you were to take away the flesh of your analysis, the examiner should still be able to understand the formation of your argument. So if you just had your topic sentences, the examiner should still be able to follow the outline of your argument. Things to remember. A carefully thought out topic sentence has two functions. Firstly, it helps you, the author, to stay focused whilst writing. Secondly, a clearly stated topic sentence provides readers with the tools they need to clearly understand the ideas you wish to communicate. Remember that topic sentences set the tone for the paragraph and should relate back to the question or the main idea of your essay. Thank you very much, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day.